time. This Fourtrax seems like it's doing a good job in that mud hole the first time. Let's see if you make it all the way around that bend.
All the way around?
All the way around.
Let's do it.
All right, guys.
It's like cement, man. Quicksand. I think I just need a hand lifting the front.
You're doing this all home, man. Tie it onto me, tie it onto you. Let's go.
Okay, here, hold on.
Try it on my ball and bring you up the hill.
Oh, this got me out of the hole.
Well, this arsehole.
I got her stuck, boys.
I'm getting the bike out of that water, bro.
Bro,
it's not like,
at least we just got it out. I know it's not on camera because the camera died and we had to put a new battery in, but like, how you feel about that one?
I need a new pair of shoes.
Yeah, you were cocky at first, but now he's filled with mud.
have you seen my shoes? They come clean every day. Just go stick your feet in the water. You're fine. Let's go.
That's it, man. Go
Literally.
jump in right now. You need
time.
to. Yeah.
I'll come with you. How the are your shoes? Huh? You really didn't.
Literally, look at these.
Did you?
You did nothing.
No, I stand on the side of
Yeah.
Dude, look at mine.
Yeah,
I just cleaned them out of the water.
Let it out, right?
Andrew stuff.
Yeah, no, I cleaned them after we unstuck them. You haven't got clean since you unstuck him, which is just now. What the is that?
They're magic shoes, boy.
Hit the share button, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Let's go.